Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make a OneDrive link. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the File Explorer. If you don't find this right here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. So once you search for it, go ahead and click on open. And then you're going to be here in this window. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find home, gallery, OneDrive, and so on. Go to OneDrive folder and then right click on it. Once you right click on it, as you can see guys right here, you're going to find all of these options. Here you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, and so on. And then here you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find View Online, Settings, and lastly Folder Color. Go ahead and click on View Online, and then this will take you to this window right here. So basically guys, once you're here, as you can see guys, in the left you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find Home, My Files, Photos, Shared, and lastly the Recycle bin. So right now go ahead and click on My Files, and then here as you can see guys, you're going to find all of your files and folders uploaded to OneDrive. So right now if you want to create a link for a file or a folder, just go to the file you want to share, then click on these three dots right here, and then right here you're going to find the option to preview it, open it, share, manage access, and so on. Click on share, and then once you do that, as you can see guys here, you're going to find the option to copy the link, and then you can paste the link wherever you want and share it with anyone. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.